Hey guys, it's Jamie. Let's talk about our Fill My Book feature. This feature was built because people wanted help filling empty spots on their calendar that were just going unbooked. So essentially, it's just to incentivize your clients to book with you if there are any last-minute appointments available. We do have a small booking fee for helping to book your appointment last minute. The good news is this is new revenue to you in a spot that may have gone unbooked, so any revenue is good revenue, right? Once the client books that Fill My Book appointment with you, you will notice the appointment will include a little tag icon. Now let's take a look at setting up Fill My Book in the Schedulicity dashboard. Navigate to the Marketing tab, and then just select the Fill My Book tile. From here, confirm that you've read and agreed to the terms of service by checking the box and select the Enable Fill My Book link. If you already have a payment processor enabled, you can jump right down to the next section, and then if not, you'll just see a pop-up at the top of the screen to connect with a payment processor first. And then once you're done, you'll be brought back to the Schedulicity side of things. Now that you've opted into Fill My Book, just be sure to customize your deals by clicking the Edit button on the top right of the page, so you do have some control over what deals are being offered. And here is what you will want to check out. The maximum discount is the discounts for each deal, and those are randomly generated, but will never go above the limit you set here. The maximum number of Fill My Book appointments you'd like to take per week. Choose what services you would like to offer in Fill My Book by selecting the change link besides the services. And if you have multiple providers, just be sure to choose which providers you would like to participate by clicking the change link beside the provider. If you'd like to show those offers on your business listing so your current clients and new clients can book the deals, be sure to check that box next to the text Advertise Special Offers on my business listing at Schedulicity.com. And if you'd rather that your returning clients don't see those offers, just uncheck that box. Then just be sure to save your changes. If you live in an area with tax that will be added to the appointment, you can add that by selecting Configure Taxes on the main Fill My Book page. Here you can specify the taxes that apply to various services. If you do not have any taxes currently listed, you can create one by selecting the Add New button in the upper right-hand side of the screen and just enter the tax name, the percentage of the tax, and the services that are affected by this tax. And again, make sure to save your changes when you're done. So now you're all set up. From here, every Monday, new deals will be generated based on the settings you just set up. These deals are randomly generated each week before so that you can choose to regenerate the offers if you don't like a particular combination you are seeing, or you can even skip a week. Once your deals are up and running on the current week, they can be paused but not edited once they are alive. When a client books an appointment through Fill My Book, they'll pay for it upfront and the funds will be transferred to your payment processor account. You will get that money in just a few short days after it's booked. And you'll see a paid icon on the appointment on your calendar letting you know that service was paid for. That's Fill My Book. Thanks for watching, and let us know if you have any questions.